Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now for this we'll unfortunately need a cable, so grab one, plug it into your computer, and then what you want to do is turn off your device by selecting your power button right here and choosing power off. Once the device turns off, grab the cable, place it in the port, and once you're prepped, meaning once your finger are basically on the power button and the volume up, I want to start holding these two buttons and immediately plug it in. I think I held it for a little bit too long, so let's try that. So I did let go of the power button immediately when the Samsung logo shows up. If you hold it, by the looks of it, for just a little bit too long, it initiates a power off, because power button still kind of functions as a power button, just not in the Android. But anywhere outside of that, it still does the expected thing. So in any case, once you see this mode, you can obviously let go of the volume up as well, and then using either volume buttons up or down to navigate respectively, you can choose each one of those options, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going into the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which is a way to go back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which, if I'm correct, is just a fast boot mode here. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off, or repair apps. So there we go, those are all the options we have access to. Now I'm going to confirm the first one, and this just reboots the device, and like I mentioned before, it will now take me back to Android. And you can see we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.